Self-piercing rivet bonding construction is used by major vehicle manufacturers, including Audi, Jaguar, Land Rover, BMW, and now also Ford with the new generation F-150. The Power-TEC riveting system offers a convenient, easy to use, but very powerful solution to the body panel repair of these vehicles. In this demonstration we shall show how quick and easy it is to insert a self-piercing rivet to industry standards. First, the correct die is selected for the size of rivet to be used. The magnetic die holds the rivet securely in place. The panel is positioned and clamped. Rivets will be supplied in the manufacturer's panel repair kit, but the Power-TEC set also includes a selection of rivets. The riveting action is smooth and powerful. The rivet pierces the top sheet and forms within the lower sheet, but does not penetrate it, leaving a flush rivet head. For the removal of factory or previously applied rivets, 2 sizes of punch are supplied. The rivet removal is again very quick and smooth, and leaves no panel flange distortion. The Power-TEC self-piercing riveting system, the professional solution.